Welcome to XM.com. It's Monday, November 1st, and you're watching the Daily Market Comment by Raf Boyajian. I'm Cristina Marujos. Global equities have started November mostly in positive territory, buoyed by fresh all-time highs by Wall Street's leading indices on Friday. Optimism seems to be the name of the game as worries about central banks winding down their pandemic-era stimulus and rising price pressures from worsening supply constraints have yet to leave any permanent scars on stock markets. There was fresh evidence in China over the weekend about the severity of the ballooning cost pressures on industry as well as on output being kneecapped by broadening supply shortages. China's official manufacturing PMI fell further below 50 in October. However, the equivalent casing market private survey was a little more upbeat, and other Asian manufacturing gauges were even stronger as regional economies got a boost from easing coronavirus restrictions. Moreover, hopes are riding high in Tokyo that the stronger-than-expected performance of the ruling LDP party in Japan's general election on Sunday will enable the new prime minister to press ahead with a promised spending package aimed at kickstarting the economy. Whether the bullish mood can be sustained or not in the coming days will probably depend on what the Fed says on Wednesday and whether Congress can get its act together and pass President Biden's keystone economic legislation. Divided Democrats edged closer to a compromise last week on Biden's ambitious spending bill. The House is due to vote on Tuesday on the bill. The increased risk appetite weighed heavily on the safe haven Japanese yen on Monday, but the US dollar sought to extend last Friday's advances as the pound and Australian dollar faltered. The Fed is widely expected to announce on Wednesday the commencement of tapering in asset purchases, but the bigger focus will be on Chair Powell's updated view on inflation. Any suggestion by Powell that he is increasingly concerned about higher inflation becoming persistent could further fuel bets that the Fed will hike rates in the middle of 2022. In the meantime, the Bank of England seems poised to raise its policy rate as early as its next meeting on Thursday. Nevertheless, the pound came under pressure lately following some paring back of rate hike expectations in the last few days. There is also some uncertainty about the Reserve Bank of Australia's policy meeting on Tuesday, as policymakers will probably try to talk down early rate hikes. This was the Daily Market Comment at XM.com. Have a great week.